Good afternoon, Lee Mallett from Mallett Buildings. First of all, I always start off talking about a home improvement registered is not a licensed contractor, folks. Remember that. A home improver is not a, save yourself some trouble and time getting in trouble with one of those guys. They're not licensed, they're not tested, $50, they'll work hard policy, they're building $75,000. You want trouble, do business with one of them. I'm chairman of the State Contractors Board. That's all we have every month is dealing with these people who, it's a bad law, and it shouldn't exist. They should be tested. They should be a contractor if they want to be a contractor, not this skirting around the law. And that's what they're doing with that little law, that home improvement registration. It's bad for you. It's bad for older people. It's bad for, if you're inexperienced, these people will take advantage of you so fast and make your head swing. One of the things they do, they come out here with these one-page contracts. Now, I thought today I'll tell you this also. If you buy a Mallett building 900 square feet, hey, get you a free pellet mill or a free ice chest. This is the same as a Yeti. Two nice things if you buy a Mallett building with 900 square feet. So, the difference between them, these home improvement guys, here's two competitors right here. This is their contract. This is my contract. Right off the bat, I'm going to go through the pages again. I've done this once before. I think it's important for you to see the difference in professional work and I don't know what you call this stuff. This silliness. All right, we start out with an important note that you're giving my phone number, which is my personal cell phone number, email, everything you need to reach us or reach me so I can take care of it. Oh, somebody messed with my papers. Anyway, page 3 is going to go over dirt, concrete. If you're going to decline, accept any of these things that are on that page. If you refer anyone, you're going to get a $200 referral fee. All we need for you to do is fill this document when you come get the sign your contract. All your customer information is right here. If you want to buy insurance, there's a page. We can buy insurance to cover that product while it's on your site, or you can let your home insurance do it. But we do offer a policy. Let me get this straight before I mess this up. Okay, if you change anything on the contract after it's done, it's called an addendum. There's an addendum page. Then we get into the fine print, which goes over a lot of stuff. There's 2 pages of this stuff, and it covers everything. And you're asked to initial. They go over when they sell you the building. They're going to go over They're going to go through this. They give this to you in advance, so you can refer to it, study it. Have any questions? We'd be glad to answer. Here's the dirt, concrete, construction cleanup. All that's laid out. Next page. Read your contract carefully. No verbal agreements are accepted. It must be written on the face of the contract. Why? Because a well understood deal is a written deal. There'll be no problems with that. And there's no he said, she said between what the salesman said or anybody. It is what it is. Engineered stamp plans, if you want that. Notice of design, which will be sent to you. We'll give you a tentative building schedule. If you're a Texas customer, we're going to see if you want to do your wind load. Do you need that? Work performed on site must be done through us. If you do anything without us, we're not responsible. The building type is an accessory building. Is it going to be for residential use? Whatever the use of, there's a page that spells this out. A very important page. You have any problems with anybody? That's my cell phone number. Again, by the way, my cell phone number is on the bottom of every page of every contract I send out. So anyway, if you have a problem, you can call me. We go over the warranties of the metal, all manufactured products, what the warranties are, rated, the insulation. You can, if you want different things, you can accept, decline. Very detailed. Warranty disclaimer, which means if I didn't manufacture them, then the manufacturer is the one who's responsible. If it's like a window, the metal, if it's not, I don't make that. We are working on a plant now. They're responsible for that. We go over your wall heights and your door placements, warranty requirements, wind load rating and design specifications, proper documents. So were you honest? These are the documents we're gonna go over with you as we work through the building. Foundation requirement, industry standard explains in detail what you need to do to meet the industry standard. Tells you if you're going to put plumbing and electrical, when to put them. Concrete finishing covers every aspect from the type of concrete everything. But if you want a smooth, light boom head, everything you want to do with this concrete is going to be here. Whether it's a trough charge, pump truck, everything is detailed just on this page. When you're going to finish, you're going to release, there's a concrete release form, payment sheet. You're the owner inspector, goes over everything that's required of you as the owner inspector. Here's an owner inspector checklist. Here's a building, completed building inspection, where when the builder finishes, he's going to get you to sign this, it's got the right color, building placement, elevation, window placement, gables, everything about that building. Same thing on the form finish. There's a concrete pour quote notification checklist for all customers. When they finish, it's going to ask for you to sign. Is your concrete finish correct and what you asked for? Any damage done while pouring the concrete? Was the finisher cordial? This is going to cover our concrete. This is an example of that you have checked the concrete pour and you're 100% satisfied. Another same page. Okay, very important. We will not order your building until you receive the design approval signed and your permit. As licensed contractors, we cannot start or would be in violation of law if we don't have the permit in hand. Here's the building and concrete inspection confirmation. Here's the door handing chart. This basically makes sure that you know which kind of door. The right hand, left hand, we got it defined where you can actually see the picture. You circle the one you want. No mistakes. Split building condition. What this basically means is if you're going to not have any roll-up doors, we can just frame it, pour the concrete, come back and sheathe it. Most of the time we keep 5 or 6 sheets off because we got to be able to get the concrete in the building. If you have no roll-up doors, we got to leave an opening to get the concrete in. Please mark all window locations, dimensions, including any gable extensions, lead to, etc. This is the addendum sheet. From contract signing to completion, it's going to tell you everything we're going to do. This is the process. This is before delivery. This one is after delivery. You'll get a color chart. You'll go through that. Now, tell me that's not a complete contract compared to this. This ain't no contract. This is a way to get to your back pocket. Is all this is. You have no way of pinning them down. They do that purposely. They've been doing this for 22 years. They've come and gone. I've seen them go bankrupt.